Hi, I'm Karen Tait, editor of French Property News magazine. I'm here at our French Property exhibition talking to Joe Wilson of Les Bons Voisins. So, Joe, you've had a busy day. How's the exhibition been for you?
It's been a great day today, Karen. Actually, it has been very busy. It's been a good flow of people coming through. There's some really good conversations with people.
And what have people been asking you? What sort of things are they interested
It's been
in?
a wide range of questions, which is nice to see. But people really thinking about their next moves and how they want to go about to make their dream of moving to France a reality. Questions everything. Visas come up to a lot of large things, and we pass those on to our visa partners.
But you help with property management, don't you?
Yeah, and it's been a
That's
lot of people asking about the property management side of things, i.e., either wanting to become property managers, which is what we specialise in,
As
or
in
actually,
franchises.
as in
like
with
that.
the franchise opportunity that we offer. Otherwise, it's been people who are keen to who are looking to buy a property and want to make sure it's managed properly once they've actually bought the thing.
And if you had one piece of advice, one top tip, what would it be?
I think if you've got a property in France, to understand that if it's a typical old French style stone building, these buildings have always been designed to be used. They're designed to be lived in. So don't leave it locked up for months on end. Try and use it. Have someone to come and keep an eye on it, to vent it out, air it, maintain it on your behalf while you're not there. That way it will protect your investment, and when you are able to come over to enjoy it, it's in good shape for you when you get there.
That's lovely. Thanks very much, Joe.
No, a pleasure. Thanks very
Thank
much for
you.
the time.